Wells offers innovative and easy to operate ventless solutions to increase revenue in any space. So why should you go ventless? Historical buildings are a great place for ventless solutions. Many jurisdictions will not allow you to go through the floors and ceilings of these historical buildings. High-rise buildings may require expensive black iron that may be charged floor by floor. Stadiums and malls may not want ductwork in open view. Lease spaces are great because you get to take the hood with you if you leave the space. There is also a tax benefit for the piece of equipment because it depreciates faster. This is the Wells WVAE55 series. It is a completely self-contained unit with electric fryer, ANSUL system, and the ventless hood. The fryer has a 55-pound oil capacity with a single basket auto lift system and a built-in oil filtration system. The integrated hood features a multi-stage filtration system and a complete ANSUL system. Because this unit is only 16 inches wide, it provides a great solution for any space. As you can see, with the largest selection of electric equipment allowed underneath the hood, a completely self-contained ANSUL system, and the ease of installation, all makes it easy to find the best solution with Wells. Please visit our website at wells-mfg.com to find all the resources and specifications on our ventless hoods, or you can call 1-800-264-7827.